In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDFs in Bubble.io. We'll set up the right database field, build a dedicated page that renders cleanly as a document, and configure the workflow that converts that page to a PDF and saves it back to your app. First, prepare your database so Bubble knows where to store the generated file. Head to Data, then Data Types, and open the type that should hold the PDF, for example, an invoice. Add a new field named PDF/file, set the field type to file, and save. Bubble can only store PDFs in a file type field, not text or anything else. This single field becomes the home for the finished document, so every time you generate a PDF for that invoice, it has a clear place to go. Next, create a dedicated page that will be converted to PDF. In the Design tab, add a new page, perhaps called PDF/invoice. In the page settings, set the container layout to column, the width to 794 pixels, and the minimum height to 1123 pixels. These dimensions map well to a standard page size and help avoid unexpected scaling. Now design your layout exactly as you want it to appear in the final document. Bind your elements to dynamic data using the current page's invoice source, so things like the invoice number, dates, totals, and line items populate automatically when the page receives an invoice to display. Keep this page stable at render time. Avoid hiding elements conditionally here, because the converter can leave gaps or mismeasure the layout when elements appear or disappear. Think of this page as a print-ready canvas. Finally, trigger the conversion and save the result. Add a Generate PDF button where you work with invoices. In the Workflow Editor, add the action navigation, Convert Page to PDF. Configure it carefully. Choose PDF/invoice as the page to convert, and set data to send to current invoice so the PDF page receives the exact record it needs. Check Save to Database. For thing to change, select Current Invoice, choose the PDF/file field as the destination, and set the file name to something readable and unique, like Invoice Current Invoice's number. With this setup, Bubble generates the PDF and immediately attaches the file to that invoice's PDF/file field. When you run it, you'll see the file saved on the invoice. From there, you can show a download link, keep it for records, or use it in other parts of your app. If the layout looks off, keep elements within the set width, use consistent fonts, and avoid conditional visibility on the PDF page. That's it. Clean, reliable PDF creation in Bubble.